Morning guys, October 16, 2023. This one I got a call for gas furnace not working. He said I was there last year or something. I got it got it going for him last time. But I'm not sure if I remember the place or not, but we're going over there and see if we can figure out what's going on with it. Alright, so I got the thermostat up. Looks like it's off here. It would be off unless he shut it off. There'd be no codes blinking if it's off. I don't know what this nut doesn't look like. That's right. It's off here. Thermostats. I got a hot surface igniter on this thing. I know the thermostat's up. Don't look like there's any power to it. There won't be any power to it. Nothing. Where's the flipping? I don't know, it's fucking dark as hell down here. Oh, that's on. This is first. Stove outlets. Stove outlets is off. I wonder if that's it. I'm gonna check that first. Hello? Hello? There's a breaker downstairs in a panel that's off. It says stove outlets. Is he disconnecting any outlets up here for the stove?
Yes. Is that what it is?
That could be. It could be on that breaker. Is anything disconnected up here, or can I turn that breaker on?
Yeah, go ahead. You can turn it on.
Is nothing that's gonna get shocked up here?
Nope, you're good.
It could be tied into that breaker for the furnace.
Oh, that's probably exactly what it is. Yeah, give it a shot.
All right, I'm gonna try. I just want to make sure that nothing's loose up here and somebody's gonna get shocked. No, right?
Nope.
Okay.
That's good, buddy. You're good.
Let me try that and see if that's what the problem is. He must have been working up there. He says it's good, so I could turn it on. We'll see if that does it. It's probably tapped in off that. What do you think? Let's see if we got any power down here to this board. I don't think there's any power coming into this thing. I don't see any lights. We're gonna check it. Could be an emergency switch upstairs that's off too. Yeah, that's possible. Let's see if we're getting any power. See if we're getting any power to L1, L2. Power coming in, L1, L2. Power. L1, this one's power coming in. See if there's any power there. No power. That's our one. Yeah, we got power. We got 110. 110 going in the board. Alright, so we got 110 going in the board. The fuse is blown. A blown fuse. I got a new fuse. I'll shut the power off to it. I'll shut the power off to it. We'll see if that does it. We'll turn it on. Ready? Might have been that right there. There's a blown fuse. Simple fix. Simple fix. Blown fuse. I'm gonna shut that breaker back off to that thing, and it might have just been what it was. Simple. Put this back together. We'll fire it back up. Might have been that thermostat wire hitting there. That's what I think it was. A pile of York. Pile of York. Alright, we're gonna shut that breaker back off. Yeah, it's nothing to do with that, so I'll leave that breaker off. Had nothing to do with that break, it was the fuse. Blue. I think this wire right here, you see that wire was pinched? Wire might have been pinched in the door, the thermostat wire, and blew the fuse. New low voltage fuse.